going to show you how to do rental arbitrage in buildings just like this. Using the script I provide, go ahead and pitch the business model to the owners. Sign a corporate lease under your LLC. Start opening every business credit card imaginable and start ordering furniture from Wayfair, Costco, Sam's Club, Best Buy, and Amazon. Start one lease early and store everything in there until the rest of your leases start. Then go on TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, and find furniture builders and handyman to go ahead and assemble all your furniture for you. Find cleaners on Thumbtack and have them come to the units, stage everything for you, clean them all up, and have them photo ready. Get professional HDR pictures taken. Install smart locks and Ring cameras above the entrance door to automate your check-in process. Install minute noise detectors in every unit to prevent parties. Sign up for Beyond Pricing to enable dynamic pricing for your listing. Download Guesty and enable automated messaging for your listing to automate the check-in process. Enjoy payouts like these every single day so you can make money like this every single month.
Airbnb Arbitrage explained in less than 30 seconds. Hi landlord, I'd like to rent your property from you. Okay, rent is $1,500. Great, I actually own a corporate housing company and I differ from a traditional tenant, but I'll be one of the most valuable tenants you've ever had. Can you explain further? Yep, so my goal is to create a win-win for both me and your property. The most important thing is you'll be getting rent paid on time every single month. I'll be subleasing your property, with your permission of course, to business professionals, families traveling, etc. Okay, so whatever the difference between your rent plus expenses will be your profit then? Exactly, that's what makes it a win-win. You get your rent payment from me each month without dealing with any of the headaches of dealing with the tenant. Plus, your property will be in much better shape since my clients will be living in the property every single day. And my cleaners will be professionally cleaning the property a few times per week. Sounds good to me.
Being successful takes sacrifice. Bro, it's 3 a.m. I work in 5 hours. Because I want this. More than I want to sleep. More than I want to eat. More than anything.
Man, oh man, oh man. That's the part that people don't remember. Man, it wasn't easy. It was a struggle. Bro, everybody wishes they could skip over the hard part, but you can't. People pretend their whole lives like you don't got to work to get what you want. And there was a point where I was so down bad that I'd rather starve and save money than to live how I was living. Bro, this was my bed. A bunk bed. Bro, imagine when I was inviting girls over. Hey, babe, you got to climb up this ladder real quick so I can clap them cheeks. Come on. Like, y'all don't remember when I only had one pair of shoes. This was my only pair of trusty dusty Air Forces. Now I can buy whatever shoes I want, though. I didn't eat lunch, bro. And now I'm in my crib sipping on watermelon juice and shit. Like, life is good. Anyways, I'm gonna bless you real quick. Peace and blessings to all the day ones. I hope y'all find success.
Nobody's talking about insurance housing, guy. Insurance housing is where family need a place to stay when they go through a disaster, right? Like a hurricane, earthquake, whatever, tornado, okay? That is one of the biggest secret niche inside of real estate that nobody's talking about it. I'm the one that's talking about it to you right now. If you want to learn more about it, let me know. That's how I got my financial freedom, retire early 30, traveling around the world, living in paradise, wherever I want to go, right? Why? Because I'm helping families in disaster have a place to stay. It's a great mission. It's a great cause. Insurance will pay. They pay super well. They stay for a long time, no complaints. And if there's anything going on wrong, anything like that, they just cut me a check. Super easy, super powerful.
Want to generate more revenue from your Airbnb? The number one thing you have to do right now is start using a dynamic pricing software. The top 3 are Price Labs, Beyond Pricing, and Wheelhouse. I originally used Beyond Pricing for about almost a year, and now I switched over the entire portfolio to Price Labs because of pricing, customization, and flexibility.
Here's a secret tax loophole that you can use if you own an Airbnb property. Now, I'm not a CPA, but I pay my CPA the big bucks to give you these strategies for free, so make sure to give me a follow. So let's say you own a short-term rental and your guest stays less than 7 days on average. You can use a tax strategy called bonus depreciation to offset your active and passive income. So let's say you have $1 million property and you did a cost segregation study on it. You would be able to depreciate anywhere from 20 to 30% of the property's value. So let's call it $250,000. And let's say you made $250,000 in income. In this scenario, you would pay $0 in taxes. All you have to do is prove one of these 7 rules.
I want to start my Airbnb business, but I'm stuck. Stuck at the point of how are you going to come up with the funds in order to get started with Airbnb? If so, and if funds are your problem, then a quick option to you to do instead of Airbnb hosting, you can start off as an Airbnb co-host. With Airbnb co-hosting, you can simply find other Airbnb hosts that are simply overwhelmed with their Airbnb units and they need more help managing them.
People don't tell you about Airbnb is that there is a much better way. It's called corporate housing arbitrage. The way you rent to companies instead of vacationers. So vacationers tend to trash your place, they overstay, ask for like some random stuff, right? But corporate housing are super amazing caliber, higher caliber tenants. They stay for 2, 3, 4, 5 months instead of 2, 3, 4, 5 nights. 10 times less to work, 10 times more freedom. So you can actually have time to enjoy your lifestyle. Do whatever you want to do.